Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We've already about a month ago or thereabouts planted the gorgeous Aubretia Axcent deep purple rock cress, and they're fantastic. It's used a label, but you can see the actual colour of the plant. There's a really deep purple. We planted it here, and the idea is it's going to spill down over the stonework, flower for months, and be here for years and years to come. We're going to plant another deep purple Aubretia here at this point here. We put up a video of this afterwards to see what they do. They're fantastic, spilling over walls and kerbs at this time of the year. We're going to put a white one in the middle of the two purple then. That's Aubretia Axcent white. Just give nice purple and white, always look well together. So to plant them, we took out a reasonable sized planting hole here at this point. We're using this tool. This is the Korean hoe. It's a weeding and digging tool, far easier to work with than digging with a trowel. So you've more grip and you can get weeds out. You can weed as you're going along and dig out a planting hole like we have done here. We have a little bit of swell compost mixed with the soil we took up out of the planting hole, and we're going to put a handful of super tribe at the bottom of both planting holes like that, and a little bit of swell compost in for the white one there as well. It just spilled down over that point there. So we're going to take the purple, mix that super tribe. Super tribe is a planting fertilizer, slowly released for the plants, helps to reduce transplant shock and settle in plants an awful lot better, and it's slowly released over a long period of time for them. Keep them flowering well. We'll feed them now and again with a bit of flower max to keep them in good condition. So out comes, this is Aubretia Axcent deep purple. It's the best form. Have a look at the size of the flowers in that little one. That's only planted a month ago, but it takes them a couple of years to just settle in very well. It's a very good plant and is reliable. So in it goes with a little bit of the super tribe is at the bottom, and a little bit of swell compost and soil back in around. And we're going to settle in the white one next. We can put the white one in at that point there, but that little stone there, and that fella, he'll spill over that stone nicely at that point there. And we'll put in the white one here as well. So a little bit of super tribe at the bottom here mixed in. Soil is nice and loose in this area. A few crocuses here as well. We don't want to disturb them, and we'll enjoy these lovely rock cress for years and years to come. So Aubretia Axcent deep purple, that's very important. Axcent deep purple and Axcent white, excellent varieties. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.